Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si...
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, Math, Grade 3, Quarter 4, Lesson 1, Day 1. Our topic for today is about division through equal jumps on the number line. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learners are expected to A. Illustrate division through equal jumps on the number line. B. Understand division as repeated subtraction. C. Show cooperation during individual and group activities. Let us count by twos from 0 to 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Answer, we did 10 steps. Anna wants to reach number 10 by jumping 2 steps at a time. How many jumps will she make? Answer, Anna will make 5 jumps. Can you help Anna? Yes. How big is each jump? Answer, each jump is 2 steps. Division means making equal jumps or equal jumps. 10 divided by 2 equals start at 0 on the number line. Jump by 2s. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Count the jumps. How many jumps did we make? What is the answer to 10 divided by 2? Answer, 5 jumps. Therefore, 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Division tells us how many equal jumps are needed to reach a number. Mark the jumps on the number line, then complete the division sentence. 1. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. In number line, we have to count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. In number line, we have to jump 3. 1, 2, 3. Number 3. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. In number line, we have to jump 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. In number line, we have to jump 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 20 divided by 10 equals 2. In number line, we have to jump 2. 1, 2. Let's share equally. Directions 1. Imagine that you have 12 cookies to share equally among 3 friends. 2. Draw a number line from 0 to 12 in your notebook. 3. Starting from 0, make equal jumps of 3 on the number line until you reach 12. 4. Count the number of jumps you made. 5. Complete the division sentence. 12 divided by 3 equals number line jumps. Starting from 0, jump by 3 each time. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12. Therefore, 12 divided by 3 equals 4. How many equal jumps did you make? Answer, you made 4 jumps. What does each jump represent? Answer, each jump represents 3 cookies given to a friend. How many cookies will each friend receive? Answer, each friend will receive 4 cookies. How do we show division on a number line? Answer, we show division by making equal jumps on the number line. Directions, draw the hops on the number line and write the correct division sentence. Number 1, 18 divided by 6 equals 3. In number line, we have 1, 2, 3. Number 2, 12 divided by 3 equals 4. In number line, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 8 divided by 8 equals 1. In number line, 1. 4, 16 divided by 2 equals 8. In number line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5. 20 divided by 10 equals 2. In number line, 1, 2. Directions, write the division sentence that describes each hop on the number line. Number 1, 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Number 2, 16 divided by 8 equals 2.
Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe
Para sa higit pang educational content, i-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!